Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks. I have been working here for 10 years. I would like to introduce one item from our company every day. And today I would like to introduce some information about our Roman candles. Actually, it's the combination of Roman candles. They are very small tubes in a big tube and then make a very big and very long one. And actually, this kind of Roman candle, I really love it because we can keep them shooting like this, and you can shoot together with a lot of friends, and we can shoot with our family. So when a lot of people shooting together, they are really nice. Actually, we have different shots of this kind of Roman candles. We have 140 shots, and we have 320 shots, and we have 328 shots, and we also have 660 shots. See, this is different shots of Roman candle for our Happy Family line. 140 shots, 320 shots, 328 shots, 660 shots, 660 shots. So we have different kind, and we also have the different effects and different packing. We also have the assortment of the Roman candles. We will introduce to you of them later. So I want to show you here. Oh, not this one. This one. You can see there's a lot of small tubes inside, and then make a big Roman candle. So you can shoot like this. You can shoot. You can keep this handle and shooting like this, but not shoot. Shoot with people. You just shoot to the sky and doing like this. And each one we have this very big handle, so you can shoot like this. I will show you some videos how we shoot together with our colleagues, and hope you will like it. So see you. Happy Family Roman candles.